At Techserv, we take pride in crafting fully British plasma cutting machines right here in our UK workshop. How do we keep our prices competitive? By manufacturing as much as possible in-house. Our precision water jet technology allows us to cut aluminum parts to perfection, eliminating the need for post-machining and reducing labor costs. We laser cut and fold our cutting beds locally, using a clever tab and slot assembly system, all welded in-house. This means we avoid the hefty shipping fees that many competitors face when relying on imports from Eastern Europe. Even our control systems are built right here, cutting out supplier costs and shipping delays. By streamlining our design and manufacturing processes, we minimize labor while maximizing quality. This efficiency lets us invest in superior components, like high-performance drives and gearboxes, ensuring your money goes where it truly matters. Techserv delivers cutting-edge British plasma cutting machines at unbeatable prices, all while keeping quality at the forefront.